Hey Max Impactors, I have a great project for you today. With us doing these online classes, I'm kind of missing doing our grappling. So what I'm going to show you how to do is make a at-home DIY grappling dummy. So let me bring it down. Well, let me first go over what we need here. Okay, you're just going to need a hoodie, sweatshirt. Another thing that I thought would be really cool, I don't have one of these, but if you have like one of those full body snow suits, that would be pretty cool too, because then you could actually do the legs. But for what we're doing in class, I think that this is going to work out great. You're going to need 2 or 3 pillows. So this is going to be, you're going to need 1 or 2 pillows for the body, depending on the size of your sweatshirt. If you're a kid, you'll probably only need 1 of these. If you're a bigger like me, you might want 2, okay? And then I got a smaller pillow, and that's going to be the head. And then what you're going to need is, I have just a blanket, okay, just an old blanket that I had around the house. It could be a beach towel, that will work. I think a beach towel, if you use that, you might want to double layer the beach towels on top of each other. But this is going to become its arms. All right, so let's get started. This is really simple. Okay, I'm just going to take my sweatshirt. I'm going to bring you down to the floor for this. So, welcome down to the floor. All right. So a few things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make the arms. So you're just going to take your blanket, and you got to figure out, which way you're going to do the blanket by how long the arms are. So this is the way I measured it. I just went like this, and then if you can take your hoodie, and when you lay it out, the arms should come almost to the edge, or the blanket should at least come to the edge of your arms. So this one's about the right size. So you're just going to go down to one end here, fold it over, and then we're just going to roll it up. Now, if it doesn't seem like after we roll this up, it's thick enough, what you can do is you can just bulk it up by getting another towel or blanket and double layering it, but you're just going to roll this up. Now the next step is you got your shirt, and you're going to take it, I bring it in through the hood side, and then I'm going to take it to the arm side. By the way, if you have the towels and you only have like smaller towels or something to use for the arms, you could just do one on each side of the arm. We don't have to be too particular about it. We're just trying to give you a way to practice some of the moves. Then you're going to take the other side and take it through the other arm. So I'm just stuffing it in here. You can always reach in, and then I can just kind of pull it like that. I would make sure both sides are fairly even. All right, so I got that in there. And now I'm going to take my bigger pillow, all right, and you're just going to start stuffing the inside. So this pillow goes up to where the arms came through. Okay, now I got the body of them, and then I'm going to use this last one, okay, and I'm just going to stuff this in the hood, like this. There you go. Then I'm going to take the strings, and I'm going to tie this tightly to make his face, or his head. Okay, now you got your hood all tied up. Good. So, when we're working in class, you can be on top of here. We can put their arms in the center. Okay, you can, get ready to do like, your arm bar here. Get their arm bar, or you can do your figure 4 locks on here. Okay, we can practice the arm locks and a lot of other things on this. The only other adaptation you might want to do to this is you might want to close up this bottom part. Since I'm going to be using this for the next couple weeks, I think I'm going to probably do like a temporary sew down here at the bottom. This is an old sweatshirt. It's old, dirty. This is like a work hoodie that I have. So I'm just going to sew at the bottom here so that the pillow doesn't fall out. Okay, guys. Well, that's how I make these. I want you guys to go and make one of these, okay, so we can use it in class, and give yours a name. Okay, give your dummy a name. We'll be asking you in class what your dummy's name is. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in class later tonight.